Dear students, here I am painting sunrise view. Use water as much as you can use on your sheet of half part. Leave the area of sunrise sun. Leave the area of sun without water so that the color we are using here can't be spread on that area. Like this, you have to leave the space of sun without water. Firstly, you have to use water on your sheet, only water. Then you have to take color as water is wet on your sheet. Add more texture of yellow color, light, medium and dark tone according to your observation. Tutorial of these homemade colors I am using here during lockdown days. You can get the full tutorial with all steps and of all shades of these colors: yellow, orange, red and coffee color, brown color. You can get the link in my description box of this video, or I'll send you the video of tutorial of homemade colors. These all colors I am using here, they all are homemade during lockdown days. An artistic mind can't be stopped due to any reason. Dear students, you have to do this painting done in your art file. I am giving this tutorial with all steps. You have to do this in your art file using homemade colors during lockdown days. Very peaceful view and video you are watching here by your teacher. Enjoy the video. Kids, I hope you are enjoying this video of sunrise view. According to your observation of sunrise view, you can add texture of light, medium and dark tone of sunrise. Red and yellow color you can use according to your observation of sunrise view. Now sky is ready. Now add water in remain sheet. Don't add water, don't apply water on that area in which you have to show the light of sun in the water. To give full water effect, don't add water in the front of sun. As I am showing here, like this you have to make it done. The texture of light of sunrise. Here we are painting now the water effect using yellow colors, light, medium and dark shade, and using red colors, light, medium and dark shade. Not using, we are here more dark shade Only we are using here orange light and dark shade. Now enjoy the video. I hope you will get the video now. You will understand the video now. Add textures according to your observation of sunrise view. Now right side is ready. We'll do the same texture according to our observation in the left side. Use water as I am using here. Add this texture using flat brush or using round brush. You can use any choice of your brush, flat or round, but you have to leave the area of light texture of sun. Like this you have to give texture of light in the water. Use flat brush or use water effect. You can use your orange color as well as according to your observation. Here in the side you can see the texture of sunlight in the water. You can use flat brush or you can use fine tip of your round brush to make this texture. Very easy painting for kids of class 6th, 7th and 8th. Do this work in your art file. According to your choice. You have to paint this view in your art file during lockdown days. Okay kids, this is very easy painting. This is very easy to paint sunrise view for kids. Now see all the steps so that you can make the same view or the different view from this. Better view you can make according to your observation. Here you can see the light effect of sunrise. I'll add some more texture in it in the light side. Paint it until it become done. Like this you can give the texture, the main step of this painting. Don't forget to make it done. Now leave it for some minutes. You can leave it for half hour. After that you can remove the texture of this sheet, this colors bronze. Wait for dry this sheet. You can wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Wow, look at this view. Besides it, you can use brown color as I have teach you in previous video. The link of this video is also in the description box, or I'll send you it separately. Like this you can remove this texture and you can make it smooth after dry this sheet. Now you can add light shade of brown color, as well as you can use darker shade of brown color of hair, or you can leave this video and you can leave this sheet till only sunrise view with water. Here you can add coconut tree, very easy. Here I am using darker shade of brown, or you can leave this like